This brand new video in this brand new video we're gonna take a look on how to reduce our image size. So for example, let's just go into it. As you can see, there is this website tinynpng.com. so what you're gonna do, I've already started using it, so you're going to refresh the page back, and this is the image I'm going to reduce. So what you're gonna do is, what you're gonna do is you have to just draw your image. Either you drag and drop, or you click here. So for example, okay, let me just do it this way. Let me just click here and see, oh, I have so many images here. Let me see the one. Unfortunately, the image here does not show. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my screen a little bit small. So I just drag and I drop. So you can see this was the image 78.9 KB. So it has been reduced to 38.5 KB. So now I can download it from here. So this is the website that I always use to reduce my size of my image. You know, when you are a programmer, the size of the image also matter. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. And to then, see you. And if you are not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. So don't worry, I'm going to post a link down below. Thank you.